Hello and welcome back. Basically, I've got a unboxing video for you lot today. Yeah, I'm going to crack on and get straight into it. Look what I've got. It is the FTX Outback 3 PASO. And Dino and Craig, I know you're going to be watching. I bought this because of you. I said I was going to get one, and I did. Yeah, let's crack it open and have a look. Get this box lid off. Yeah, it comes with, obviously, comes 99% ready to run. But all you need to do is add AA batteries to your transmitter. Oh well, look in here. Running mode, battery type, drag brake, you can select it all from the controller. Oh wow, there we go. So, have a look at this. Get this piece out. I'm talking about charger as well. Let's get these cable ties off. Without damaging the cart. There we go. Look at that. Wow. I've actually been wanting one of these for ages. Well, actually, ever since they come out, to be honest. Yeah, look at that. Look at the paint. Yeah, absolutely lovely. For the price, it's about £180. Very good car for the price. And on these, apparently, obviously they don't come with body clips. I think how you get the top off is take the pins out the bottom. Oh. Look at that, hinges up. But then again, you've got all your lights attached, blah blah blah. Yeah, basically, let's have a proper look. Waterproof as well. 390 brushed motor. I have actually had I haven't had a little go, to be honest. I've seen one of my mates has basically just bought one of these. He's got the yellow one. That's what made me want to buy it. What do you lot think? The tyres are so soft. How do you feel they've got like memory foam sponges or something like that? Look, wind mirrors at work. Comes with snorkel. Can run it on LiPo, like I said, on here. You can change everything on the controller, so you don't have to do it on here. There we go, hinges all the way back. I cannot wait to get this out and have a blast. Yeah. First time, it'll be my first time having to go on one of these. Like I said, my mate's got one. I've seen him working. Tyres feel really, really grippy. Really grippy. For the price of the car, you get a lot really. And I like the way, like I said. Axle mounted servo, that's better. That's definitely better. And the body, I've actually got this in a 1/24th scale, the PASO. Yeah. Alright, yeah, it's just a quick unboxing video. It's probably one of the best looking, cheapest coolers I think you can actually buy. Comes spare wheel. shovel, axe. You get these when I bought my Geo. That's exactly what I got as well. Is these like this? So what we do, plug these back in. We'll plug the battery back in. We'll have a look. That's the car on. What I need to do is grab some AA batteries. 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Yeah. Like I said, I can't wait to get this out over the local pit I go to on the rocky area. I actually can't wait. There is a video on my channel of, like I said, my mate's one. He's got a yellow one. That thing done so well. That's exactly what made me buy one of these as well. It's because I've seen that one work. Oh wow, look at that. Indicators as well, same as the Geo. Headlights. In a second. I think I need to swap these wires this way, and I think if I'm right, this should give me, yeah, the blue lights. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Oh wow, that calls very good. Yeah, first time, let's have a look. Oh look, we've got the hazard lights. Actually run off channel 4 on the transmitter. I like them. Let's see if we've got any new lights. Ah. We have actually, they don't actually look like there's lights. It's really clever what they've done. Look, watch. They've actually put them behind the stickers. That's really clever. Yeah, this is literally a quick unboxing video, and I cannot wait to get this out on the trails. What I'm going to do in the next video, yeah, shut up birds. Oi. Right, in the next video, it's alright, I've got 3 budgies. In the next video, I'm going to be taking this out as it is, standard, not doing one thing to it, exactly how it is, comes out of the box. I'll be taking it out and testing it, and then in another video, what I'm going to be doing, I've actually ordered some new bead locks, different wheels. I'm going to do a few modifications, and I'm going to take it out again and test it. Yeah, and actually see what it can do with a few modifications, and see what it can do as it can stock. But yeah, I think I will leave it there. You actually, in the charger packet, you get a normal 3-pin plug to charge. It comes with a nickel metal battery. Obviously, I'm going to run it on LiPo because I run my batteries on LiPo. It's even got an American style plug with it, which I don't use. Yeah, you've got your normal 3-pin plug. Yeah, look out for the videos of this coming very soon. Yeah, I am so pleased with it, and I haven't even drove it yet. Just the way it looks, the blue is absolutely amazing. The sparkle on that, absolutely mad. But yeah, right, I'm going to leave it there. Look out for the video of this. Like I said, I'm doing one of it as it is standard stock. I'm going to do another one of it with some upgrades. So keep an eye out for the video, and I'll catch you soon. See ya.